Hello, hello, welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to go ahead and color grade a photo. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And this is just to essentially give it a cinematic look. So I'm going to go ahead and try to show you how to do that now. So um, the first thing you're going to want to do is kind of have a vision. So I'm like, all right, kind of see how I want to make it. I'm just thinking here. Okay, so one of the first things that you can do is colors, but I'm not sure if I want to change the colors for everything the same yet. Or here, let's see. Let's go to our saturation. Let's see. If you want a cinematic effect, you don't want like a YouTube thumbnail. You want a cinematic effect. So we do want to turn up the saturation though. But then in the shadows and highlights, instead of taking away shadows, we're actually going to add some. And we're going to take away the highlights. So it's going to be a little bit darker of a photo. It's already looking a lot more cinematic in my opinion. And then we can go to filters. No, don't want anything there. Don't take any noise. No. Okay, we'll go back into colors. We'll go to brightness and contrast. Turn down the brightness, but maybe turn up the contrast a little bit. And as you see, now I've given it a real cinematic kind of feel. This is what it was really before. And this is the after. So, I mean, you can really see the difference there. I think that you can obviously mess with all of those things to kind of give it your own kind of feel. But that's what I would do to kind of give it a more cinematic effect or feel. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.